Today was a very special day.
Nice balloon. My balloon.
Hold it tight. Oh no. Don't worry.
Let's go!
Wait for me. I can see it.
Don't worry. There it is.
It is too high.
Almost. Be careful.
I have an idea.
Yay! Can I help?
Here we go.
This is yours. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Now it's safe.
What a day!
Have fun.
Good idea.
I am happy. Me too. Smile. Cheese.
Sometimes small adventures create happy memories.